Hello dear friends, subscribers and guests of my channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to add special effects to Instagram messages. Please put your like, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. First, we need to go to Instagram. After that, we need to go to direct and to our correspondence, and here you can click and enter any message, for example. After that, you need to click on this button, and here you can choose any effect and avatar effects, for example, and you can do with any effects. Look, and that's all. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please put your like, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends. Bye bye everyone, see you later.